Welcome to the Standard 3 students. Welcome to all of you. Today we'll start chapter 8, SST chapter 8, celebrating together. Celebrating, what we celebrate? Celebrate the festivals and fair. We are celebrating festivals and fair. So open the page 57. Festivals are the time of enjoyment and fun. It shows the unity, bond of unity, friendship, and patriotism. And patriotism, that is, in the Independence Day, we show the homage to we pay the homage to the freedom fighters, those who have given their lives for the country, and the bravery in the Republic Day, the prizes, the awards, bravery awards given to the brave children in the Republic Day. Okay, so it is the bond of unity, friendship, and patriotism. It is a bond of unity, and also develops the feeling of love and brotherhoodness among us, within us. So what are the festivals? First, festivals are three types. Three types of festivals. Here, the types of festival: national, religious, and regional. Regional is equal to related to state, and religious is the related to religions, and the national is the for the nation. So national festival, religious festival, and regional festival related to states, different states. Bihu, Assam; Boisakhi, Punjab; then Rathayatra, Odisha. So these are the regional festival. No, Onam, Kerala; Pongal, Kerala Onam, and Pongal is the festival of whose? Pongal, Onam. These are the regional festival. Rathayatra, Orissa. So the regional festivals are Pongal, Onam, Boisakhi, Bihu, Rathayatra. Religious festivals are Holi, Dasara, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Baudha Purnima, then Guru Parav. Okay, these are the then national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday celebrations are Teachers Day, 5th September, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. Then Children's Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehuru's birthday. Gandhi Jayanti, birthday celebration, that is 2nd October. Every year, 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. These are the birthday celebration. Then we'll start the national festival. Independence Day, Republic Day. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947. So the Prime Minister hoist flags in Red Fort, New Delhi. To remember the freedom fighters who had given their life for the sake of our country. Then Republic Day. Republic Day is the India became republic on 26th January 1950. Our constitution came into force. Constitution came into force on this day. On this day, our constitution came into force. And in the Republic Day, the bravery awards were given. Bravery awards are given to the brave children who has done for the brave things. Okay. Then Holi, Dasara, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, these are the religious religious festival. First is the religious festival Holi. It is the festival of colors and the the victory of Ramchandra. Diwali is the victory of Ramchandra, and the Holi is the goddess Lakshmi. We worshipped goddess Lakshmi, and the religious and the Holi, we play with gulal. Okay. Then Dasahara, it celebrates the victory over the victory over the good, victory of good over evils. Because Devi Durga, the victory over the who? Mahishasura. Okay, Mahishasura is the evil god, evil giant. So it is the victory of good over evils, and it is a great festival of in West Bengal, state of West Bengal, UP, Maharashtra. These are the Maharashtra is the Ganesh Chaturthi, and the Raksha Bandhan. This festival marks the holiest bonding between the brothers and sisters. The sisters tie Rakhi on the hand of the brother, and brother give the gifts. Okay, and save to the danger to the sisters. Okay, then Diwali. It is the festival of lights. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped by candles and lamps on this day. The businessman celebrates the day as the New Year's Day. The businessman. And the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Zuha. These are the important festival of Muslim, and namaz is offered by the mosque. And after the namaz, people embrace each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Then Christmas. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ, Lord Jesus Christ, celebrated on the 25th December every year by the Christians. And the Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavir, as the Mahavir Jayanti by Jainas. Jainas is a religion, like Buddhism. Buddhism is Gautam Buddha, Jainism, that is Mahavir, Lord Mahavir. Then Bodha Purnima, it is the Buddhist festival, marks the birth of Gautam Buddha. And the Guru Parab, it is celebrated in the honor of the 10th Gurus, all the 10 Gurus of the Sikhs. Honor. By honoring them, Sikhs have celebrated the Guru Parab. And longer, the Guru Ka Langar is an important part of Guru Parab. Langar means a vast feast. Then Teachers' Day, the birthday celebration, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The Teachers' Day, it is celebrated on the 5th September on the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And the Children's Day, it is celebrated on the 14th November of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, on his birthday. So on Gandhi Jayanti, it is celebrated on the 2nd October 1969. From that day, it is observed as the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, is observed as the Gandhi Jayanti. It is a national festival. Okay, it is all about the festivals. So remember this. It will come in the exam, and like fill in the blanks, one word. Okay, all of the things should be written in your assignment copy and send it to school for the correction on every Friday. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.